What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. Before I even start, I just want to say thank you, guys. We just hit 100 subscribers. I'm really grateful. I'm really thankful for everybody that's been supporting, watching the videos, liking the videos. It really means a lot for me, right? That's a nice milestone, and I'm very happy. Now, of course, um, I'll keep the consistency going and think about it. Those 100 subscribers, it's only trade recaps. So I'm pretty sure when I'll actually start vlogging and stuff, we'll get way more. But like I said, I'm really happy. Let's get in the video. Let's get into the video. So, guys, recently my discipline has been just very, very trash. Reason being is I'll get a little bit personal. I have a lot of debts to pay off. I mean, I can place some screenshot here, here. So actually, I've been forcing trades. I've been doing a lot of bad stuff, and I'm just being honest with you guys. That's why a lot of the whole month of December, I barely got any payout. I only got one payout, which is 1K, 1.3K. And I've just been blowing accounts. So, time to log back in. I can't afford to lose anymore. I'm basically maxed out on my credit, and I have to make this thing work, right? So from now on, I'll start a new challenge starting today. Today we are Monday, December 22. We still have our 5 pros account. Friday no video. I didn't trade today. No video. I had to go do something. The something is so I had to. You guys don't know that, but recently I lost my car again. Someone crashed into my car and it was a total loss, right? Here, I'll post a picture. So today I had to go give back the rental so I don't have to pay more fees than I already have. So that's that. I'm at the lowest point right now. Maxed out the credit. There's no payout, no car. I barely have $200 to my name. So starting today, technically tomorrow, every single day, daily videos, right? Monday to Friday. Daily recaps. Now, I'll see if I record live, but I'll probably just, the second I finish my trade, post the video. So expect videos from, to hit, let me rephrase that. So you guys know I trade macro 9:45 to 10:15. The time the video loads up, and by 11 a.m. Before 11 a.m. every single day there will be a video, Monday to Friday. Now, from now on, not a single mistake. I don't care even if I get stopped out by a tick. Even if there's an A+ setup, I don't care. One trade a day in the time that I'm supposed to trade. That's it. Now, there's one thing remaining. I know everything works. I know my strategy works. Everything works, right? Now, of course, I'm still backtesting. To see if I can make stuff easier, tweak out a little bit. But anyway. Now, you guys know I'm on take profit, right? The only thing that can fuck me up is the trailing drawdown, which is intraday. Solution is I'll be risking 300 to 350 until the buffer is met, which is 1.5k. Then from there, I'll go back to regular trading. I already have my scaling plan. I already know what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I'm gonna start the challenge. Road to 100k. Road to 100k in payouts. Starting tomorrow, technically. So if you guys want to see that, I'll be posting, like I said, every single day. Whether I lose, no trade, I don't care. I'll still post the trade recap, the trade of the day, right? And yeah, it's gonna keep myself accountable and at the same time show my journey, right? I proved multiple times to myself I can get payouts. I think it was October I made around 20 or 25k. November I made 15k, I think. And those weren't even full month. Those were like 5 payouts only for the entire month before I blew the accounts. Anyway, like I said, we'll start this challenge. If you guys want to check it out, I guess check it out. But trust me, mark my word, we will hit 100k in payouts. And soon enough, a lot of stuff will change, right? So yeah, let me log back in to trading. We'll get those payouts going once I hit 100k, which I know I will. Just give it some time. Everything's gonna change. We'll have I'm gonna go travel. I'll actually go buy the vlogging camera, what's it called? Osmo 3. Yeah. Vlogs, we'll go fucking rent supercars, I don't care. We'll go bunch of shit. Anyway, right now we're locked back in. Today we are Monday, December 22. Soon enough, we'll have 100k in payout, trust me. But as of right now, there's one thing to do. First, meet the buffer, which is intraday onsets met, build up the buffer to 4k. Why 4k? From my backtesting and everything, I know that I won't be losing 4 trades in a row. And let's say for any reason I lose 2-3 trades in a row, then I'll just completely de-risk until I'm back. But anyway, and yeah, slowly sorry, I'll build up the accounts and start requesting payouts. Just so you guys know, once I build the accounts to 4k, that means I'll be risking 1k for 2k, so 1 to 2, risking 1k of course. So that's 2k multiplied by 5 accounts, because I have 5 accounts, minus the 20% fee. Whoops. Now that's 8k USD. Convert that to CAD. Each time that I get a win that I can request, that's 11k. Think about it. 10 good trades, 112k. Thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to be very honest, put myself out there. But soon everything's gonna change. Thank you guys again for 100 subs. And let's start this journey, right? I'll see you guys tomorrow.